Hey folks, welcome back to Good Enough Customs. So yeah, this week's video is definitely going to be short. So here we are, Sunday, trying to get out here to get something done. I tried getting out here yesterday to do it, and I didn't have it in me, guys and gals. My folks finishing up moving. They're moving from Middle Tennessee down to the Gulf Coast. So it's been a challenge, you know, helping them out, moving this week. And then Jackson had a football game. It was an away game. It was an hour and a half away. So, you know, Friday night we didn't get in until a little after midnight. And to be honest, I was just flat wore out yesterday. I sat around napping and not really doing much of anything. So I planned on getting out here this morning, but then I had to make a quick run about an hour and 15 minutes away and go pick up more of Mom and Dad's stuff that was still at their house that they just weren't able to fit on the truck. So that's been my day. So I'm definitely not going to make it out here into the shop this week. It's unfortunate. I even went and picked up some metal, some 16 gauge, 2 foot by 1 foot sheets. I got 2 of those. You can pick those up at Tractor Supply. It was like $50 for both of those. I planned on getting out here and finishing up, cleaning up these cuts and cutting out this really weak, really nasty metal that's back in here. Still trying to figure out what to do there, because that's actually like a dimpled dyed type hole back here. So I don't want to just put flat metal in without any type of structure to it. So I'm still thinking on this guy, but I've got to cut this out all the way back in there. So I'm still working on that in my head, trying to figure that part out. So unfortunately, it just didn't pan out. And you know, sometimes it's like that. Sometimes you can have the best plans in the world and everything just completely falls apart. Don't let it discourage you. You know, I hate it that I wasn't able to get a video together for this week, but that's just the way it works out sometimes. So rather than just, you know, putting up a picture and saying, sorry, no video this week, I figured just take a few minutes, let you know why, and just kind of offer a little encouragement. You know, sometimes stuff just doesn't work out. Sometimes things just completely go sideways and your weekend's blown up and you can't get it done. I may try and get out here tomorrow, Labor Day, and get some things done. Again, I don't know how it's going to pan out. I've got a lot of stuff now in my shop that I didn't anticipate having in my shop because I don't have any other place to store stuff. So that may actually be what I do later today, is get out here and try to figure out where to stash and store some of my folks' stuff. You know, until I get a chance to drive down there and you know, visit with them and take them some of their stuff. So, but you know, don't let that stuff get you down. You know, I know I'm kind of on a tight timeline with Jackson's truck, and it's not going to pan out where he's going to have that truck ready for his 16th birthday, which is first week of October. So a month from now. So that's definitely not going to pan out, and it's unfortunate, but, I've already talked to him. I told him I'm probably just going to end up getting him some really ratty little beater that he can just drive to and from work, to and from school. And if he ends up getting a job, that he can drive to and from work. And he's fine with that. He gets it. You know, he knows that it would just be a temporary thing, and it's just something to, you know, it's an AB vehicle. So I'm currently hunting for that, but you know, right now my driveway's full. all my little nooks and crannies to store stuff in is very, very full right now. So actually I'll take y'all out there. So as you can see, I still got this piece of crap Fiero. I haven't been able to secure a trailer to get it gone. This is my dad's work van that I've got to sell for him. So I'm going to be fixing that guy up a little bit. Doesn't need much, just a little bit of maintenance and some cleaning. I got a different set of wheels I'm gonna put on it because I like those wheels. So I'm probably gonna keep those. But you know, I got Big John sitting over there, I got the Daily sitting right there, I got the Pontiac right here, Mom and Dad's wheelbarrow, you know, pieces and parts, and then even more crap stuffed out way in the back. So, you know, it's pretty full, and there's not a lot of room out there for me to put another vehicle. So First things first, I got to get rid of some stuff, which will mean me probably working on Dad's van, getting it ready to go. That Fiero, that thing's got to go to scrap. It's so bad. Actually, right now, what I'm doing is I'm taking all my old scrap metal that doesn't mean anything, and it's going inside the car, so that way I can load it on a trailer and maybe get a few bucks more for it. But you know, don't let stuff like that just get you down. Just kind of roll with the punches, get stuff done as needed and as you can. So here in the next few weeks, I'll probably end up fixing up Dad's van a little bit, cleaning it up and getting it sold and gone, swapping the wheels out. And then I'll probably polish those wheels up. I don't know what brand wheels they are. I like them. I know that, but they're 5-on-5. At least that's what he said. I can't remember if Astro Vans had the 5-on-5 or the 5-on-4 3/4 bolt pattern, but I think he said they were the big GM bolt pattern. So if they're 5-on-5, they're not going to go on Steve. Steve's already got these Boyds on it. Although that does have bow tie center caps on it. So I may polish those center caps up and they'll go right in on Steve. So I may put those center caps on it. I don't know. We'll see. There's just so much going on between, you know, work and helping folks out with their big move when I can. And then, you know, Jackson's got football and then he's got his stuff going on the weekends, and it's almost too much. So this week, unfortunately, no real video, but other than a video, just me saying, hey guys, you'll get to see my pretty face. But anyhow, so just, you know, for y'all guys and gals that are working on stuff, you know, and you hit road bumps and you're just dying to get out and work on things and it just doesn't work, don't let it get you down. It's aggravating. It happens to me a lot. There's a lot of times I'm like, I'm going to get out in the shop. I'm going to get this going and get this going. And then boom, something comes up. I'm like, damn it. All right, well, that'll keep till next week. So yeah, just, you know, keep that in mind. So anyways, hopefully things will pan out a little bit better for next week, and we can get back on the Blazer and get to welding up some patch panels in that guy, and you know, moving on from there. So all right, till next week, I guess. Keep at it if you can. If you can't, it'll be all right. It'll keep till next week. And just remember, it ain't got to be perfect, just good enough. We'll holler at y'all later.